Delegation of the members of the Delhi Legislative Assembly, led by the leader of opposition, Vijayendra Gupta, had appealed to the President Draupadi Murmu for urgent intervention in the alleged constitutional crisis which is plaguing the national capital. Now, according to Delhi, this is according to the Delhi BJP rather, the Aam Aadmi Party government, they say, and I quote, that the AAP's failures are underscored by serious issues, including allegations of a major scam involving the Delhi Jal Board, unquote. They go on to say that the delegation which is also reportedly highlighted the Delhi Assembly and saying that it has not convened for 5 months. Listen in to the BJP reactions which have come in.
एक मेमोरेंडम उनको सबमिट किया और दिल्ली में इस समय जिस तरह का पॉलिसी पैरालिसिस है, 5 महीने से दिल्ली विधानसभा का सत्र नहीं हुआ, कोई सदन नहीं हुआ, कोई कैबिनेट नहीं हो रही, कोई पुअर गवर्नेंस है, बैड गवर्नेंस है, अनार्की है, करप्शन है और चीफ मिनिस्टर जेल में है और जिसके कारण एक अजीबोगरीब स्थिति दिल्ली में है। राष्ट्रपति महोदय से ये मांग की मेमोरेंडम के देते हुए कि दिल्ली की सरकार को तुरंत भंग किया जाए।
And in response to the BJP's memorandum, which is called for President's rule in the state of Delhi, the Aam Aadmi Party has now issued a press release. Now, the statement by the AAP has criticized the BJP's memorandum, dismissing it as nothing but a politically motivated maneuver. Aam Aadmi Party has labelled the BJP's attempt as a failed Operation Lotus in Delhi. The party further has argued that the BJP's actions are a desperate bid, as they claim, to undermine Delhi's democratically elected government and distract from their own challenges. So that's the big news coming in from the national capital. A war of words really has emanated between the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party. BJP says that this rule from jail model is not going to work. BJP allegation has now prompted an Aam Aadmi Party reaction, which has called it politically motivated. Mohit is joining us on the phone line with more details on the same. Mohit, this war of words also on very familiar lines. BJP versus Aam Aadmi Party at loggerhead once again over the so-called Aam Aadmi Party governance model, considering that the Chief Minister is in jail.
Well, yes. In fact, can you please repeat the question?
Yes, Mohit, I was asking you to take us through the war of words which has now emanated and is escalating between the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP. Obviously, it's on expected lines. We've seen this in the past as well. AAP and BJP taking pot shots at each other. This time, the BJP has taken it a notch up and said that there's a need for presidential rule in the state of Delhi.
Well, yes, in fact, a delegation of BJP MLAs met the president yesterday. The meeting lasted for around 20-25 minutes. Now, what the contention of the BJP in their memorandum is that the governance in Delhi has completely fallen apart. The chief minister is languishing in jail for a long time because, according to the BJP, he is the kingpin of alleged excise scam. Now, the BJP also says that Delhi has become complete civic mess. The Delhi government is not working for the people of Delhi, and hence the president should intervene in the matter, and the government in Delhi, that is of the Aam Aadmi Party, should be dismissed. Now, we have seen that how the BJP has been raking this issue for a long time, that CM is in jail, there is no CM who is working for Delhi, but this time around they have reached to the doorsteps of the president. So this has become a big point of clash between the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP. Now, what the Aam Aadmi Party says that the BJP MLAs reaching out to the president clearly shows that Delhi BJP has realized that they will not win the elections. They want to topple an elected government, and again they have raked up the issue that how the agencies are being used against the Aam Aadmi Party. So we see massive political war of words, and what the BJP now also today is saying that the main issue they wanted to raise in front of the president is about the governance in Delhi, which has completely fallen apart. Now, there is nobody to take any decision within the party. Within the party, we see various fractions. The Sunita Kejriwal comes in, then we see Manish Sisodia coming in. So we clearly see that how the BJP is putting us as that the government has governance has failed in Delhi. There is no chief minister. He is languishing in jail. The blame game is has started between the officials and the Delhi government ministers, and hence they want president to intervene. So clearly we have to wait and watch what exactly would the president's next step would be, because we have seen this political blame game between the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP for a long time, from past 10 years. But perhaps for the first time, this has gone to the doorsteps of the president of the country, where they have sought, the Delhi BJP has sought dismissal of the Delhi government, which to which the Aam Aadmi Party has strongly replied, saying that BJP believes they are losing Delhi elections, and this is why they are taking these steps. Back to you.
Well, absolutely, Mohit. This is a fresh war of words, and just as Mohit was telling us, a delegation of the members of the Delhi Legislative Assembly, which was led by the leader of opposition, that is from the BJP, Vijendra Gupta, as you were telling your viewers, had appealed to the president as well, and they had asked for an urgent intervention in the alleged constitutional crisis, which is the charge and a claim which has come from the side of BJP. They say that's plaguing the national capital. According to Delhi BJP, the Aam Aadmi Party government, they say, has failed to function properly. That's because they say the chief minister is in jail, and there are multiple issues which are plaguing the national capital, and they say that this is what has led to a complete deterioration of situation in the national capital. There are some serious allegations which they have made and they have highlighted as well. Aam Aadmi Party, as one would expect, has dismissed all these allegations of the BJP. They have said and they've actually issued a press release also, where they've said that this statement and the claims by the BJP is nothing but politically motivated maneuver, a political stunt. Remember, in the past also we have seen similar such war of words between BJP and Aam Aadmi Party as well. We have a BJP reaction coming in. Let's listen in.
बीजेपी का एक डेलीगेशन मिला राष्ट्रपति से और कहा, मांग की गई कि दिल्ली की जो सरकार है उसको डिसमिस किया जाए, क्योंकि यहाँ पे पॉलिसी पैरालिसिस है, काम नहीं हो रहा, स्कैम हो रहे हैं। उसको लेकर अब आम आदमी पार्टी का जवाब आया। वो कह रहे हैं कि इससे लगता है कि जो है दिल्ली बीजेपी अपनी हार मान चुकी है, वो चुनी हुई सरकार को गिराने की कोशिश कर रही है, और जैसे एजेंसी इस पे पहले भी वो सवाल उठाते थे, उन्होंने फिर उठाए हैं।
कौन सी चुनी हुई सरकार जिसकी 6-6 महीने से कैबिनेट नहीं हो रही? क्यों? क्योंकि मुख्यमंत्री जेल में है। ये जेल वाली सरकार है। हमारे विधायकों ने जो सवाल उठाया है वो सिर्फ ये उठाया है कि बिल्कुल काम नहीं हो रहा है, एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव कोलैप्स है, प्रशासन काम नहीं कर रहा है, डिसीजन हो नहीं रहे हैं, 500 से 700 फाइलें पेंडिंग पड़ी हैं, कोई उस पर डिसीजन लेने वाला नहीं है। अगर दिल्ली के हित में होने वाले काम रुके हुए हैं इसलिए कि मुख्यमंत्री जेल में, और वो मुख्यमंत्री जेल में बंद बैठा है, वो अपने राजमहल को बचाने के लिए किसी दूसरे को मुख्यमंत्री बनाना नहीं चाहता, तो हमारे विधायकों ने क्या गलत काम किया? उन्होंने तो जनता के हित में बात रखी है। महामहिम को जो ज्ञापन दिया उसमें यह कहा है कि दिल्ली में बिल्कुल प्रशासन विफल हो चुका है, कोई काम हो नहीं रहा है, मंत्री जो है वो सिर्फ प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करके इतिश्री कर लेते हैं और कोई सुनवाई हो नहीं रही। तो अगर दिल्ली के काम होंगे कैसे? दिल्ली की समस्या पर डिसीजन लेगा कौन जब आप कैबिनेट मीटिंग नहीं बुला सकते? तो
थैंक यू फॉर स्पीकिंग टू अस विद वीडियो जर्नलिस्ट गोपाल मोहित, बट फॉर टाइम्स नाउ इन दिल्ली।